Happy New Year, Moonbeams 1. We are on to lesson 14, and I hope you all had a really good break and are ready to get back at practicing. So let's sing our song.
We are the Moonbeams, we are the Moonbeams, mighty, mighty Moonbeams, mighty, mighty Moonbeams. We are the Moonbeams, we are the Moonbeams, mighty, mighty Moonbeams, mighty, mighty Moonbeams. Ready to sing and play. Fred and the F team, Dino D, Spider Fingers, here we go. Play those instruments, T-tom-T, and then we'll sing thee so-so. We are the Moonbeams, we are the Moonbeams, mighty, mighty Moonbeams, mighty, mighty Moonbeams. We are the Moonbeams, we are the Moonbeams, mighty, mighty Moonbeams, mighty, mighty Moonbeams. Ready to sing and play.
Okay, right hand, let's say hello to everyone. Hello, everyone. Let's do our solfege scale. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Good. All right, so I want to say how well you all did on your Christmas recital pieces. You looked fantastic dressed up, and you played wonderfully. So I was very, very pleased with that. So we're going to get working on our masterclass pieces, get ready for performance with those. So with masterclass, we have to introduce ourselves. So we're going to put our left hand on the edge of the piano, and we're going to stand up, and we're going to say, hello, my name is Denise White, and I will be playing Hurrah by David Steckenrider. Then you're going to sit down, line yourself up, make sure you get the bench ready, play your piece. When you're done, your hands come up off the keyboard onto your lap. Then you stand up and you bow and you look at your feet and you just smile. Okay, so we actually have to stand up and bow in preparation for going to music festival, and we have to do our introductions. So you have to introduce yourself and the name of your piece and the name of the composer. So your composer is found in the top right-hand corner of your piece. So when we meet individually, I will be listening to your introduction, and we'll keep working with that, and we're going to do a couple group performances as well so that we are good and comfortable with our performance for masterclass. Okay, so obviously masterclass is going to be our priority to get that piece memorized and in good shape. And if you need any extra help with that, you know where I am. Send me a text, and we'll make sure that you are ready. If we need extra help, that's fine. So W21, we are looking at our C major triathlon in C. So it's your C major chords, your 1 chord, your 5/7 chord, and your 4 chords. So I want you to do this whole page once every day, and that will help you with doing quick chord changes. Okay, then still do your C major scale. Okay, so do that at least once a day. If you cannot do it the way I just did it, even if it's a little bit slower is fine, then you need to do it 2 or 3 times a day. Okay, then So we're going to look at contrary motion and similar motion. So contrary motion goes in the opposite direction. So if we look at L14, we have contrary motions. We're sharing middle C, right hand goes up, left hand goes down. In similar motion, I'm starting a middle C with my right hand, and my left hand is starting on an octave lower C. We're both going in the same direction. So if you listen to this, that is contrary motion. This is similar. So the similar one harmonizes going up because you're playing the same notes just an octave apart. Contrary motion isn't the same harmony. There's a little bit of discordance in there. So it's easy to tell the difference, all right? On W26, there are a couple pieces that you can work on. Copycat, so you're doing the same thing in both hands. And this one uses your contrary motion. Your right hand goes up, your left hand goes down. So these are the two pieces you're going to look at a little bit, but your focus is going to be on those masterclass pieces to make sure that we are ready for those for next week. And then we're just going to fine tune, make sure we're adding dynamics and everything with that. Festival registration opens, I believe at this point in time, the 1st of February, and it closes the 7th of February. So you've got a weekend there. If you miss it, they will not accept late registration. So I'll keep reminding you, and it's an online registration for, at this point in time, it's looking like an online festival, although they're still hoping that we're going to be able to do an in-person festival. We're all hoping for that. Compositions. So that's when you write your own piece. And we'll be doing a workshop with that, but I need you to come up with your musical thought or idea and know what note you want to start on and have your sentence. So, I like ice cream. I like ice cream. Or whatever you want to do for that. Okay, so again, you can come up with whatever you want, and then we'll work more with that together. As far as notes, we should be getting absolutely 100% going from bass clef F all the way up to treble clef G. And we should be pretty good down to low C. See the third button of Mr. Bass Clef's vest. Down in the middle, D is our middle line in the bass clef. E, F, G, A, B, C can be a treble clef or a bass clef note. And then D, E, F, G, G clef, A, B in the middle, and A, B, C. Sorry, going the wrong way. C. So we should be really good getting these notes on the tin sheet and recognizing them on the music. That's your homework for this week, is to work with your tin sheet or your flashcards if you ended up getting those, and just be very confident. You're learning the language of music, so put the time in to be comfortable with that. Rhythm bags, we will try to do those when we meet together. I'll get you to do a clap back though for me. Again. Together. Good. And another one. Again. And together. Good. Okay, so I'll see you individually during your times, and we will work on those masterclass pieces, and we'll work on seeing where you are with your compositions. But our priority right now is that W21 scale page. Have a look at W26 so we understand contrary motion and similar motion, and work on notes, and we'll get back in routine this week, okay? Looking forward to seeing you all, and we will say goodbye.
it